Oh, here goes Ben. Hey, buddy. Whoa! Yeah. A little preview of what we're going to be seeing today once we get this load unloaded and we get back home. Concrete trucks. Well, there goes the concrete pump. Well, welcome to the video. She is full tilt operation down here. Big old concrete pump. There's big old Billy. So there goes one cement truck. I got one here already dumping in. And then another one that's waiting on the road. He'll back her in and start shoving her into the concrete pump. I've never really been this close to a cement truck, nor have I been this close to a concrete pump, especially when it's working. And it is quite the unit. That's where the truck's going. Bill is just an idiot. Oh, there he goes under the truck. So if you're wondering why that's spinning, she's full of concrete, and if concrete sits, it gets hard, and if it gets hard, then she's no good. And I couldn't imagine cleaning out one of those with hardened concrete in her. Slide down here, down through the pump, up and out. Woo, I'm getting away. Here comes the concrete. And these guys just keep filling the footings. If you're wondering what we're building a house. Our yard's just down there. We've owned this property for quite a long time. There used to actually be a house right there. There isn't anymore. Obviously, we took it down years and years and years ago. So we're putting up a new one, and she is going to be a thing of beauty. Lots of concrete for it, though. Holy. I got that concrete just to spin it. So it goes, yep. Down, in, up, way up, and then way down. Hello, 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 my baby. Hello, my baby. Hello, my baby. So now out here, these boys will clean out their chutes and their spouts and whatever concrete's gotten on everything. And this guy's waiting to come in and unload. So yeah, these guys will clean her up, go get some more, or maybe they're done for the weekend because it is Friday. Oh, Bill didn't follow me down here. Bill! Oh, he's rolling around now.
You're an idiot.
Oh, here goes Ben. So this guy right here is running the hose, and then another guy is running the controls of the concrete pump. Telling the guys with the concrete trucks what to do, I guess. She's pretty something. They got her full right to the top too, holy. Another one. Beauty. Keep that concrete coming. I'll go there, bud. Let's have a quick little look inside the walls. This is sketchy for sure. Oh yeah. So started here. Garage doors will be there, so it's down a little bit more. And then it's just beauty all the way along. These guys definitely know what they're doing. Not their first rodeo. Woo! Sketchy board, 10-4. So it's a little, woo, falling off the dirt. Jesus. So it's a little quieter over here, and I can explain a little bit better. But oh my god, there's Shelby recording me again over there, thinking she's hilarious. She's not, and she's gonna be in this video now. You're so funny. You're hilarious. Yeah, give me a thumbs up. Frig you. Anyway, so there's the two concrete trucks over there, and it's coming out of them. It goes into the concrete pump, and it somehow pumps concrete. I don't know. I'd love to see this pump. Pumps it up all the way through here, all the way back down here, and then all the way into the footing of the house. And that huge arm all folds up together and sits back down on the truck, and the stabilizers all come in and fold up, and then she goes down the road. So it's a pretty easy way to do a tough job, because I don't know how you'd ever get concrete trucks all the way around this ridiculous hole. It's gonna be quite the shack though. This guy's probably looking at me like you're a f***ing idiot, but I am. So and then that's my dad's place way over there. Well, that's the yard anyway that you guys have now become familiar with. Old clay tile. Take that one home for the boys. Ooh, almost fall again. Another truck. This guy over here is just pushing it all down. Probably getting air pockets out or whatever. Gotta be some kind of trick to it because it's going in there like soup liquid. Just splashing in. They still got to do the whole inside wall. Concrete pumping. So the cement trucks, we're putting her in there. That must be what pumps it. I imagine that gets spinning pretty good in there. Oh yeah, we got it idled up. Then she goes down there, down through here, into there. That whole thing swivels all the way around and down the tubes. All these stabilizer arms keep it from tipping over. I know that's something that can easily happen when you have that much weight. There goes another cement truck. And I'm sure there'll be another one backing in momentarily. Ready to watch this thing fold up. Here she goes. You're gonna swing that all the way around the tree. No way in hell. Camera, you need to move over here and get this. He's swinging all the way around this tree. That is unreal. That is the full salute right there. Look at that. That is insane. That's not how I thought he was going to be bringing her back over. That was wild. And here she comes. Man behind the controls. Damn, that just about took him out. Oh, that's pretty close. Oh, got KO'd by the thing. Holy shit. He's folding her up, but just like anything, you know, you gotta clean her all off before you put her away. Because, you know, when you're using a paintbrush and then you don't clean the paint off it before, it all hardens up and you can't use it next time. So imagine that with concrete, and you got like a $300,000 or more truck here that's just dirty with concrete all through it. So you gotta take care of something and it will take care of you. 10-4. So he'll get this folded up, put in all the stabilizers, and head her down the road, and hopefully I'll get a quick clip of him pulling out. We are moving her again, folding this thing up, and sit on some dirt. Stabilizers going in, and then there goes the stabilizers on this side. You can see the whole truck coming back down quite a bit. This door is opening up. Whoa, nifty. We're easily impressed. That was the coolest part of the day. The stabilizers going in. Whoa. Tearing off limbs. Well, our hole's all filled in. Forms will be coming off. Amish are having a look. I'll go there today, gentlemen. Hello, Steven's truck. Well, there she is. The big concrete formed foundation for a brand new house. They stripped off all the forms about 3 days after. They got all the vapor barrier wall where it needs to be, and they'll come and backfill it soon enough. But I gotta make this video. It's Saturday afternoon, late in the afternoon. I barely even started. Kind of want to show the whole when it has been backfilled, but oh well. I mean, this isn't usually the kind of stuff that's on my channel. And if you're new here and this video brought you here, go check out some of my other trucking stuff. It's a lot different than what this video was. And if you're one of my viewers, then hopefully you found this interesting, because I kind of did. Still wish those damn time lapse worked out, but some days she goes, some days she doesn't. So there it is. All those boards that were on there, you can see where they were. This will be all filled with dirt. This is where the garage doors will be. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice big house with some nice formed concrete. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. As always, we'll see you on the next one. There go the neighbors.